The morning of our trip and we're on our way to the airport. Yes, we're on our way to the airport. We just put everything in the car, so we're about to head to the airport, masked up and ready to go. I'm excited.
This trip is much needed.
Much needed. We definitely needed this trip. It's raining right now, but it's all good. We're gonna be in Cancun in a little bit, so. We made it past security. We're about to get some breakfast. We're actually here like an hour early. Or an hour behind. Like an hour behind. Say hi, Judy. Y'all remember Judy from my Jamaica vlog? Now we're on our way to Cancun. So I'm gonna get some Chick-fil-A. Oh. And pizza. That's free. But yeah, so when we're on the plane and everything, I'll catch y'all up on the flight. We are about to lift off. Just got seated. Got some customs, and now we're about to go outside into this. It's raining outside, and we're waiting for our transportation, but first we gotta wait for all the girls to get here. Heather's out here. So we're just waiting for everybody to get here, and then we can actually get on our shuttles and in our cars so we can get to the resort. Flight wasn't that bad, custom wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I think that wasn't that bad. So now I just gotta wait for this transportation. Got our welcome drinks. Hello.
Oh, shit, boomerang, god damn it. Girl, go ahead.
Listen, exactly.
It's fine. It's okay.
Oh, I love that tree. I'm gonna check in. Okay, just got my room. About to go into our room and check this room out. We've upgraded our room to a suite. So this is what I see when I get off the elevator. We're room 2202. So let's see what room I'm in. This is the room at the end of the hall. Oh, I gotta push. Oh, I had to push it. Oh, walk in. Some mirror right here. And another mirror right here. Nice. So here you push this door in. And here's this bathroom area. Nice. And then over here is the shower. Huge shower. Oh my goodness. Huge shower. Love that. Love the floor on here too. So that's our shower. And then you walk back here to the room. We have double beds. Big old TV. Little sitting area. Nice table. And then just noticing little things, like they have a scale here. Girl, why do I need a scale? I'm not trying to. So, and then they also give you like little toiletry bags. I wonder what's in those. I'll open that later. And let's see. Oh, we have closet space on either side. So, closet. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. We need another robe and slippers. And then over here, same. Some more closet space. Really good closet space. Nice. Okay. And then let's go ahead and see this infamous view out here. So. See this view. Sliding doors. Sliding infinity doors. And then here goes the patio. And here goes the ocean view. Oh my gosh. It's beautiful. And over here. So this is our beach off the secret resort, off the resort, and then over here we're in a lagoon, so there's just another body of water over here. But look at this water. So freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the pool. Nice. So this is so this side I believe is not even, this is a different resort side here. So we have an ocean view, but our actual resort, I'm gonna have to go off of one of my friend's balconies, because this is Sandoz Beach Resort, and then our actual like overview of our resort is on the other side. But this beach view is nice. So yes, and we're right by this like penthouse suite here. Oh my god, next door is beautiful. But yeah, so we have these double beds, full length mirror. Y'all gonna be getting outfit details all the freaking time. So yes, made it to Cancun. It's beautiful here. I love it here. Y'all gonna love it too. I love it here. So yes, friends, I love it. So yeah, we're going to you know what, I should record out on this freaking balcony. Why be in here? But yeah, let me go ahead and freshen up and get ready for this trip. And I'm hungry as hell, so that's like the next thing I'm gonna do, is get some food, and then we're gonna get back to this vlog. This room is beautiful. All right, later. Hydro boost for your face. Moisturizer. Oh, it's a body cream. Oh, okay.
It's Vito, baby.
So we're about to eat dinner. Finally. I'm not gonna tell y'all how many hours it's been. It's been way too fucking long.
Oh, it's like 8 Shit.
It looks, I can't see it, so.
Is that the 12? It's amazing.
No, hell no, it's a 10.
All your Cleveland.
Oh. This is the Capri salad.
So do we want to stay the night there or we come back? Just the day?
We would have to stay the day and come back. Well, yeah, exactly. I killed this pasta. It was really good. It had scallops, shrimp, mussels in it. Killed it. Risotto. This is tiramisu from the Italian restaurant.
No, you like it too much. This is actually real. Like, if you
It's pretty good. Yo, somebody get the fucking bug. Why is it?
No, that's a cockroach.
Y'all left the fucking window open and now that's on the fucking
cockroach.
I'm not fucking getting it.
It's okay.
Heather, you get it?
With you, girl.
Judy, why you hiding? Go get it, Judy.
Right.
Judy.
Excuse me? You the one. Whose side of the bed is that?
Yo, why is it not moving? It's like just sitting there.
It's karma. You know what? It's karma for being mean to me. Look what happened.
Oh my god. All I know is I looked up and that shit was right there and I was like, oh hell no.
Well, I don't know. Heather, I don't know why you staring at it like that's not your side of the bed.
So, who wants to get it?
Okay, just throw something at it so it can fly somewhere else.
Oh my god, are you?
It's just gonna fly. You guys, no, you
okay, you gotta hit it.
I'll pick you from the here. Shit.
You gotta hit that shit as hard. Oh my god.
You have to cut it.
This way or this way?
I don't.
The pat, like this way.
But that's how we on a pillow.
Well, then
It's gonna have to smear on the pillow. We can get a new pillow.
So I tell you I got like 6 pillows. Listen, it likes light. Okay,
Ready? One. Shit! Father God.
You got it. Did you get
Is it
it?
moving around?
No.
Oh,
Was it already dead?
did you get it?
I got it.
You gotta smush.
I got it now.
Rule number 1: let's not leave the property open when we're out.
Oh my god.
Father God, please forgive me if I had killed an animal.
It's not an
Feel
animal.
the crunch.
Judy! Oh my god.
Ew! Oh my god! What type of picture?
Oh, look how fucking big!
I am done.
Why?
Dang, it's
Why?
Are you brushing the pillow?
Wait, what? Dang, it's the roach for me.
Why
Actually, I don't even know.
is it so
It
big?
looks like
What
it's
is
vegetables.
this?
Something else? Oh my gosh.
What's that?
I think it may lay an egg. It laid an egg. I ain't picking that shit up. I killed that
What
one.
is that?
Somebody else picked that up.
What the fuck is that?
I'm afraid to look at it. Or a turd or something. Ew, just
I don't even want to go to sleep now. I'm scared.
Something's in my bed.
Heather, hold me.
Fuck that, Judy. I'll tell the bug to get you first.
Hold me.
Okay, Okay, so now we can't go to sleep. Fuck it. I'm not.
That fucking pillow. Where? I don't know, but don't put it there.
Why did you take it with you after you killed it?
I'm scared.
This pillow, I can throw it. Can I just throw it?
Throw it. I don't want that shit nowhere near me. You tried your life. Who wants to sleep next to a
I commend you for killing that job.
You're a G though, for real, Heather.
Fuck y'all, that thing could.
No, you're a G.
Flew.
I think
I liked all that.
that. I'm sorry. That.
Who picking it up? It's a question.
It's horrifying.
Give it to me then.
We're about to get on this. We're about to parasail. Leah, you ready? You ready? I don't know if I'm ready. Day 2 dinner. Oh yes. 30 inches. What? She didn't come to play.
Hey girl, you the naughty type, I can tell. Party every night for the thrill. Hey girl, you ain't living right, but you still make me wanna wife you for real. Hey girl, tell me what it's like in your world, and I'ma do you right, pretty girl. I'ma do you right, tell me what you like. Know you love my chain on, you gon' be my main one. I'll do anything, yo. I'ma get you hitting those just like a theme song. And I